Hi, I'm Rob, and this is the R15 air filter replacement video DIY. These are the tools you need for the job. I have got a small screwdriver set, a T, an Allen key set, and the original air filter assembly. On this side, we have got the bike with the seat removed. Okay, so basically, I had picked the 5mm Allen key, but you can do it with the T and a commensurate head also. It makes the job easier. So you have to remove the 4 bolts which fix the tank onto the chassis. Once that is done, then you'll get 4 bolts and a metal spacer. There they are, the 4 bolts and the metal spacer. Make sure you don't lose the metal spacer, it's important. And there's the tool I used. It is the T with a 5mm head, Allen head, hex head. And basically once you do that, the tank is going to come loose like that, and you have to turn it clockwise and put it on the delta box chassis. For people who have got extra fuel in the tank, maybe 10 liters or more, you can use a wooden puck, a wooden or metallic puck. It will make the bike more vertical and it will prevent the tank from tipping over or slipping off the chassis and dislodging the power and fuel cable underneath. Once you have done that, there is the airbox. There are 4 screws holding the top cover in place. You're going to have to remove the screws. I use the T with a Phillips head because the screws are a little hard. Even you can do that. And then use the small screwdriver because the T scratches the tank, while turning. So once the 4 screws are off, the airbox cover just comes off and the air filter also just comes out. That's it. And if you see the airbox is dirty, you can clean it from the inside. Okay, this is the difference between the new air filter and the old air filter. Now the top one is the old one, obviously, which has run 12,000 kilometers and is very dirty. So you need to keep cleaning your air filter every, say, 250 or 300 kilometers, because it keeps giving you good throttle response and at the same time maintains good efficiency. So this is how the new air filter goes in, the yellow side facing up, and there is a groove in which it sits in the airbox. So make sure it seats properly. There's a rubber flap towards the top, that one which comes in the way. Make sure it doesn't come in the way and it seats properly. So just put the filter back in place, put the airbox cover back on top, and just re-screw everything the way you had undone it, using the T and then the small screwdriver, Phillips head. So once that is done, basically move the bike out to some area, open area, where you can start it. And basically I have disabled the audio, but there were some problems with the microphone. But basically you start it and you listen for easier breathing and the way she responds to throttle. Now don't rev your bike on a cold engine. Make sure your engine is warm enough before you rev it hard. Okay, so there I had started the bike and was sounding pretty easy. It was breathing easy. It was responding to throttle fast. So that's it. That's the video DIY. Hope you guys liked it. And thanks for watching.